phezulu nenzani lapho
ya
nenzani
ukutshela ukuthi uDisemba babe nawo khona lapho elwazi ukuthi ngoDisemba siyaDisemba baba baba yaDisembeka la tholakala la ungatholakali khona wena ngoba nathi siyatholakala la sitholakala
amajita ahlele emabhandi nawo aphuma shele sukane emabhandi
sine
meeting
madoda meeting madoda uDisemba manje nithi kunokhona ukuthi sikhona bangabangekho
makasilo meeting bafethu
meeting madoda osebafikile madoda siyabonga ukuza ku meeting madoda siyabonga madoda meeting yanamhlanje athende yambakatshe meeting important meeting. Machita, you must join us. You must join us. In the world, there are many women other than men. So as men, you must be many now. There's no woman without a man.
Yes.
So I must say to you guys,
Amanda Jolabosta.
Amanda Jola. Manje sazobatshela amajita ephiziki amakasa ephiziki ofuna ukuthola bona
sondelani meeting
and beka thina siyakhala sikhala ku TikTok sikhala ku YouTube
khala everywhere
amajita wafuna ukulanda amajita athanda uzoleka more than anything in life. Why all the time uzoleka amajita
that's why ni bavenda ngisifanele ababandi
babeka kunini kuyimanje mabhizi uzoleka bafethu uzoleka why
yashisa 12 abangothinga
asindawo yokucula le akuna mic akuna studio you don't have freedom
bafethu kusabotsheni yasimblame son support.
Okay, emet isicela ukuyirefa.
Advice bafethu.
Répète.
Jolobos. You must Jolobos.
As a man, you must Jolobos. You must Jolobos to the best.
Advice.
You must come to Jolobos. You must sing Jolobos. You must Jolobos. You must Jolobos.
Somfake police station.
Ekhaya. Shayistina. Bheka man.
Yeah.
16 isihostile yina. Ongakwazi ukugibela kaphuzi. Ongakwazi ukugibela nge-16 akaphuzi. Uzotakwa lapho phansi on the atmosphere.
On the floor.
On the floor.
Thina sijayiva nabo.
Jayiva nabo. Yo.
I don't know.
Lemithi yamadoda lentwana sifuna ukutoloboza.
Asifuna ukutoloboza lentwana lezi.
Lentwana sikhathele. Eka, lemithi hotman, lemithi ngicela
Sinemithini
lemithi
yama-chief.
yamachi. Like yini inkingi yashisa
Abafuna
oyababa.
ukutoloboza.
Hamba.
Serious.
Hamba.